Subscribe now. Now click on arrow mark. Click on next. Select India and continue. Click next and next. Click the skip button, but this is not working because this is protected by FRP. Now connect Wi-Fi. Connect Wi-Fi and click on next button. Please wait a few minutes. Don't copy. Try any other pattern, but not work because we don't know the password. This device is protected by FRP. Else this method is not work. Please go back and click on the information button and select share button. Click on quick share option. Now continue. Turn on Bluetooth. Now select three dot and click on setting, but that not work. Select three button and click on settings. Learn more options. Simply click on three dot button. Select share article. Share this article to Google Chrome. Now I selecting the option. Now select the Google Chrome. Now the article is sharing to Google Chrome. Now the Google Chrome is open. Use without Google account. Now share article. Select Google Chrome. Click on no thanks and click on search button. Enter and type enter Tech Pro FRP Bypass. Select enter Tech Pro FRP Bypass. Now the APK bypass, click on that. Allow cookies. Now open the setting app. Click on setting. Now the setting option will open. Now you will see the Realme 10 Pro 5G. Now click on additional settings. Click on reset option. Reset phone option is not working because this is Android version is upgraded. Now select additional option and turn on accessibility menu shortcut. And go to settings. Select home screen and lock screen. Click on that. Select home screen layout. Now the phone is open to main menu. Now swipe to open all apps. Click on OK and agree. Select clone phone app. Click on clone phone app. This is the new phone. Click on that. Allow all these things. Open other Android. And then now the QR code is coming. Now use another Android phone to share any other content for migrating this phone. Now we are using another Realme or Oppo Android phone. Now click on the clone phone app. Agree and continue. Select all these things and turn on all these things. This is old phone. Select old phone option. Turn on the clone phone. Allow all these. Now scan the QR code to connect this one. Now connecting. Now select any one item to share to new phone. Now I am selecting only one file to share and complete the migration. I am sharing my music. Apps are not working because I am sharing only music option, and click on the start button. Now migrating the phone 99% complete, and the migration is successful. Once migration is successful and Realme FRP bypass is almost completed. Now you can see, click on skip button. Now the FRP bypass is successfully. Click all these things, skip and get started. Now Google account bypass is successfully completed on Realme. This method will work all Realme new phones. You can try this. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more support. Thank you.